Hi everyone! Today I'm going to make a green pepper fish. The green pepper is not your usual green pepper, but it's a Sichuan green peppercorns along with green pepper oil. So it's so delicious, it's so aromatic. Actually, this is also inspired by a dish I had at the Szechuan restaurant. Let me show you the ingredients. I have one fish fillet. This is a basa fish, freshwater fish fillet. You can also use tilapia, cod, any fish fillet you have. We're gonna cut that later. First of all, what do I say about cooking fish? We always want three things, trio: green onion, ginger, and garlic. So I just need to slice this like that. Separate white part from the green part. And we need some ginger slices. Should be enough. And some garlic. I'm going to slice some. So that's our trio, and I have some cilantro. You just separate the stem from the leaf. You can use the stem to cook, leaves to garnish. We're going to incorporate some vegetables, just like the dish I had in the restaurant. Just half of the cucumber. Cut into pieces like that. Smaller. And one tomato. Now let's slice the fish. Cut in slices like that. Not too thin. Next, we're going to season the fish. Let's add salt, white pepper powder. If you don't have it, you can use ground black pepper. It's really good seasoning for meats and fish. And optional, put a little bit cooking wine. It's a Shaoxing cooking wine. Mix it. And we just add some potato starch or corn starch to seal the moisture and the seasoning. So we'll let this sit about 5–10 minutes. before we cook. And let's have a closer look of our secret ingredients today. Here's a Sichuan green peppercorns. So they're more aromatic and florally than the red ones. And here's the oil from the green peppercorns. And we should be ready to cook soon. I'm heating up the pan to medium-high. Add some oil, any vegetable oil, it's fine. First, let's add our trio: green onion, ginger, garlic. Sorry, I forgot to mention the chili peppers. Or you can use the dry chili peppers. This is a fresh. And cilantro stems. And our secret ingredient, Sichuan green peppercorns. Should be good. Just saute them for about half a minute. Now we add chicken stock if you have it, or you can just add water. Should be enough. This is kind of like a stew, or you can kind of like a soup too. So we're gonna bring this to boil. Now our broth is boiling. Let's add our vegetables. And we let them cook about a few minutes, 5 to 7 minutes. After a few minutes, let's add our fish fillet. And we'll let this cook about a few minutes. Just gently stir it. After a few minutes, our fish is ready. Just garnish with green onions, cilantro. Wow, smells so good. Give a stir. Looking good. Let me taste quickly. Come on, fish. Wow, it's good. So good. Yep. And a little bit salt. Finish with green pepper oil. And our fish is ready. Are you ready to try?
I'm ready. Wow, it smells great. Looks
over
amazing.
rice. Some veggies. Wow. Beautiful. Cheers.
Cheers.
Fish.
Wow. Wow, like the green peppercorns. So floral.
So florally. Florally. Aromatic.
I love it. Wow.
Vegetable great too.
Yeah, the. I would never
Adds
think,
to the fun.
never think to add like cucumber. That's really good.
You don't remember we had this at the
I
restaurant?
do remember, but I would never think to add it to a dish like
I know.
this.
Yeah.
It has a very refreshing
And then
taste.
Drink the broth, the soup.
Wow.
The pepper, Szechuan green peppers, that's so yummy, tinkly. I know you probably cannot find locally. You can always get online, just order a pack. And will last you a long time. So flavorful, so aromatic. And if you like this video, please give us thumbs
up,
share, and
subscribe
for more simple recipes. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.